Good morning. So now it's a different story. We're not going snowboarding or in the mountains. We are going for cabin camping. Cabin camping we never did. So we don't know what to take. So we take everything. The car looks like that. What do you think? And this gotta go in, this gotta go in. First passenger is inside. Hey Nico. Nico. Are you happy? Are you happy? Going camping? We'll see, you'll have so much fun. Hello! So we are finally on the road and it can start without coffee, banana. Everybody's comfy. Sebi, are you comfy? Nico, are you comfy? Oh yeah. Doggy. Hello. And we have 6.5 hours to go. And I think I forget to say where are we going. We are going in Duluth, Minnesota. We got the DJ here, co-pilot here. That's how it looks like inside the car. One sleeping, one looking. Nico. Third breathing. And we still have 4 hours 22 minutes to go. Ooh, we are taking a rest area because we all need to go to use the bathroom. Trucks, cars, yes, okay. I thought I went the wrong way. And we need to find a pet zone for this animal here. She wants to go out badly. You wanna go out, Ellie? Okay.
První bobojek.
Yeah, I know.
Elunka, wait.
Elunka, wait, not yet. We're not here yet. She's so excited. Happy? Did you do your job? Did you do your job? Yes, you did. Oh. So what? You wanna go back to the car? You got like 4 more hours to go. Alright. Alright. What you got it? Oh yes. Of course, mark everything. Nico wants to go for a walk. No, because he's scared we leave him here. Ella, come here. Come here. Now sit. Sit. Good girl. Stay. Stay. Good girl. Good girl. Happy? Happy you are with us? Are you happy? You are happy. So if you wanna get grooming for a dog, that's how you do it. It's free. Yes. Just like it. Pull it out. Pull out the Yes, excited. No, get. Shake yourself, shake yourself. Okay, grooming for free in a rest area in Wisconsin, behind the Dells. What you got there? I would like to climb that. Maybe would climb that. McDonald, please save me, McDonald. We get hungry, so we get to eat in a Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. You're gonna have some Chick-fil-A. You're gonna have some Chick-fil-A. Nico, you want some Chick-fil-A? And we are still in Wisconsin. Like 3 more or 2.5 hours to go. So, little break for some food. And then we keep going. Okay, I had to quickly run to the Walmart because I forget to buy the gas for the grill, the green bottles. Oh, without it I wouldn't be able to cook. So we are looking for propane tanks. The outdoor one, the small one, green one. Okay, got it. We got 4 of them, so we can cook, grill, bake, fry, everything. I also forget the cup for a coffee, so I'm getting this. I can make a coffee in the morning and drink from it. Update from a road. That's how it looks like here now. No one around, only us. Maybe police. No. Only us. And 1 hour, 15 minutes to go. Almost there. How's everyone doing? Are you sleeping? Máme ski area vzadu, hele. Vidíš to? 100%. You don't come here ski? Minnesota now. Welcome to Minnesota. Update from road, and it looks like this. 4 minutes, and we are almost there. 1 minute. 1 minute. Almost there. KOA campground.
No.
Co na kolech tady, opět tady jezdí. No já jsem věděl, že to nebude v lese, vidíš to, I told you. So we arrived in a campground. That's how it looks like. And she's already crazy. Hurry! Hurry!
Elko, nějak dělat Elko.
A to není jako v lesíku, co v lesíku?
Tam ty chatky, to jsi viděl, Ukraj, to jsem...
Okay. How did you do, boys? You survived?
Ne.
No? Did you survive, Nico? Yeah, wait, you're gonna go out soon, don't worry. You have to wait till mama registers or whatever. Here is our friends. They got a bigger one. They got the bigger cabin. And we have K4, I think. We have that small one like the K3. For our hacienda. This is gonna be home for a for a week. What's up, princess? We got fire pit, look. It smells like cut grass. Ella, look. Okay. Okay, now what? Look. So this is the tour. Okay. This is a home. To je asi topení, nebo co to tamhle je. To má na křivo, to má padá doprava takhle. Okay, so this is the tour and that's it. the cabin's tilted to the left. Definitely. We got unloading in progress.
To je na co? To je kam? To je, ale to je pro ně.
Tohle je asi pro, to je asi pro RVčko tohle.
To vypadá tak.
A tohle je naše tady. This is our cooking.
Cooking? Vidíme. Dívej, máte kamarády, psíky tam.
Máme table, síci.
Tam kamarády, dívej.
Ela má kamarády.
Viděl jsi to? Viděla jsi to?
Car's almost empty. I have to put the bike together.
Oh my, no, teď ty to máš.
Now we have to put this beast together. Stand, handlebars, wheels, barbecue. Thing for Nico. Mama? Nico, are you chilling? Okay, almost done. Almost everything up and running. Just have to tie this. And we'll be good to go. Up and running. Everything's good to go. Now we have to get together this, but first we're gonna cook. And now
Dá pokličku.
nevzali jsme pochůčku.
Já si na to vzpomněla.
Now we cooking. Tohle tam mlátilo. You find a pool?
Yeah.
How is it? And is it doable? Let's go, boys. Let's go in there. Trošku podložit. This is our buffet style. You can take anything you want. Everyone's happy? Huh? Is it good?
Mm.
You like it?
Mm.
Nico?
I guess.
Pretty good. Now we're gonna try to make a coffee on a grill. So first we're gonna try to boil water. Maybe it's gonna be faster than on this. We will see. Right, baby. Right, baby. Oh, oh. You want some food too? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Water almost boiling.
Ty jsi spal
Very
tak
quick.
7 hodin dohromady, ne?
This is the coffee.
Dojeme my.
To je kvůli ní, ona ho to naučila na chati.
Co? Co na chatě?
Chikomar.
Tak si nedáš
This is how it
teplátky,
looks
ty vole,
like.
všichni mají
A
teplátky.
campfire at an almost night. Everybody's chilling, everybody's marshmallowing. Someone is praying.
A ti to pes nesežere, Janí.
What are you cooking? Nothing.
Nic, jsem dávala marshmallow.
Nikki, you like it? How do you like it, Nico? Nico, how do you like the fire? Is it good? Having fun, mister?
Janí nás na pár.
A jak dlouho?
Nevím.
Já to mě
Alright. We are ready to sleep. It's our first night in a cabin. So, it was a good day today, right, Nico? Was it fun? Yes. All last night.